What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's tutorial video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can send your crypto from Binance into a ledger. Now ledger is also known as a cold storage. Now why it is known as a cold storage, let me tell you guys that. Now basically there's a theory like if you put your crypto on online, website like Binance, Coinbase, it's not secure. Because if your account is hacked, then all the crypto stored in it is gonna be stolen. But if you store it in a cold ledger, now ledger is like a pen drive looking thing where you guys can store your crypto. And once you unlock it, it's offline. And once it's offline, unless somebody steals that ledger physically, they can't take your crypto, alright? So you need to save it physically, but unless you plug it into your device, you cannot also access your crypto. So what makes it simple is, let's say you store your crypto into your cold ledger and unplug it from your device. Now the hacker can't hack it because it's not online. And if you want to access it again, you can plug it in again and access it again. That's how Ledger works. Now, if you want to send your crypto from Binance to Ledger, follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future app tutorial videos just like this. And let's get into the video. And yeah, if you guys want to sign up into Binance, I will leave a link in the description which you guys can use for that. And basically, to send your crypto from Binance to Ledger, first go to your Binance.com account and log into it. Go on wallet, go on overview. Once you go over here, basically what you want to do is you want to go on versus withdraw over here. Just click on withdraw, and once you're over here, it's going to be Bitcoin by default. So click on it and select whichever crypto you want to transfer from over here. All right. And after choosing the crypto, you can get the wallet address of that crypto from your ledger. Once you plug it into your device, your ledger's, software is going to open up and you can just, choose the crypto which you're transferring and it's going to show you the wallet address of that crypto. And once you click on it, copy the address and paste it over here. After pasting it, the network is going to be selected automatically and you can enter the amount of crypto you want to send from your Binance into Ledger and click on withdraw and your crypto will be sent from Binance to Ledger. That's how it works. I hope you guys were able to understand and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.